You're watching the Florida Sports Programming Network.
Hey, good to see you guys. You know what? I know both teams are on fumes. Couldn't be more proud of the top-tier organization. And of course, our guys here at 643. I know everybody's been having guys drop like flies, but I think the prediction is everybody's going to give it their best. I know our guys, we play with heart. We play for the guy next to each other. Just so proud of our guys, how they go about things. They're going to leave it all out there on the line. And again, what they do, I think, better than anybody in the country is they play for the guy next to them. In a showcase crazy world, these guys are about team, family. They get hit on purpose. They'll lay down the bunt. They'll move a runner. It's just whatever it takes to just set it up for them, the next guy. So you're going to see that from us. And then if that means that we get the dog pile, great. If it doesn't, you know, we'll win or lose with our ship, and then we'll live with that result. Appreciate you guys.
Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Who are we? Who are we?
Cougars.
Limousine riding. Jet plane riding. Savin.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah. Champions. Can I get a Ric Flair? Woo! Oh yeah. This guy's mean business, boy. Look at this guy. He's down there.
Yeah.
This guy's locked in. Locked in. He's on his phone, but he's still
Let's go.
locked in. He's locked in. He did what he had to do. Jeez.
Got a lot of boxes here, my friend.
Who are you with? What group or whatever? Or are you just doing this?
Didn't even give me time to get the camera ready. First pitch double.
I didn't really know.
Ain't no one done here. Yo, get me started. Get me started right here. Here we go.
Heard coach say to Xander, get on top of it, get on top of it. The first pitch Xander got on top of it, hits the ground ball, and make sure we score this. So really good bat by Xander. Alright, turning into this one, Carter starts with the second inning.
Because she's eating her chips.
Contact, kid. We'll roll this next one up.
sit on this thing. It's hard just to What is this? Can you stop shooting?
Carter. Hey, Liam, great work back there, Q7.
Hey, I'm about to go level up. I cannot settle for nothing. I never been regular. Always knew I could do better. I finally made it this far and I'm not looking back. Dated to see all the time that I put in. Now me and the money are way too attached. Still repping 919. The city is mine and I put it all on the map. Coming for what I deserve. I put in the work. Now I'm about to level up, level up. Been on my grind since 2013. Now the way that I live.
And in 89, we won state.
Sure would have.
Uncle Rico.
Mm-hmm. You throw a steak question? Right in the face. Nailed him. You seen him pull you down? It's my favorite.
I also got that G.
You seen him pull you down?
In.
they got a lot of talent too. You know what? I'm betting on our guys. So we're going to the top of. No. Going top.
Stop. Hit. No.
Take it back. Great at bat. Boy. Yes!
This is super wet.
Is yours still considered Hoover?
Oh,
I've never been able to see the first guy that my mom's had.
Man, are we good, Bowen?
Thank you, Coach.
They wanted to hang out with you. Making sure you get
I did.
Wait, I actually do want to be in it.
Yes.
Yeah.
I can't even tell you how many.
Backside! Come on! There we go.
Hey, when you get one in, that baby, home read.
Good AB, Reed. Come on, Reed. Get back.
I need a favor from one of you. I said, I really.
I'll let you.
Tony Menendez, founder of Prospect Gloves. I know you've seen this before. This is Trevor Bauer's brand new glove manufactured by Prospect Gloves. Trevor wanted to bring his brand to life through a glove line, and we are excited to manufacture it for him and bring his design to life. It's going to have a ton of exclusive designs, really high quality leather produced by us, Prospect Gloves. This is Trevor Bauer's glove for two reasons. Obviously the logos, Bauer Outage logo on the wrist, his Bauer sword on the web. His heat stamp is unique to him with his sword stance. So obviously the design is going to be completely designed by Trevor himself. We have a U-shaped heel at the bottom, double heel lacing, straight fingers, and it's meant for traditional holding. So one finger in each, which is how he likes to squeeze his gloves. Everything was made to Trevor's specifications. We are here to empower the player. That's our number one goal. We want to have players shown off on the front stage. We want everybody to show off who they are as a player. Not about us. We don't care about us as a company. We want the player to be empowered. Follow Trevor on all of his social channels. Follow Watch Momentum. Go check out and buy his glove.